Laser Process Mystery Challenge, a hardcore challenge in every episode. A 0.3mm eggshell is fragile. Today, we use light instead of a blade. The LMS 5050 UV Picosecond laser, equipped with chip-grade technology, delicately engraves a raw eggshell. With a pulse width of less than 10 picoseconds, the pattern is completed before the eggshell even reacts. A 30 micrometers hole, finer than a human hair, pierces the eggshell with 0 burns. This is the power of picosecond lasers. Breaking through the 0.3mm barrier, leaving behind a mark of light and shadow. HGLaser makes precision within reach. What would you like to see next? Share your ideas in the comments.